Find number 911. Emergency level thinking, go. Time's up. That was fast. 911 is here. Spot number 56. Time's up. Clean and easy. 56 is right here. Locate number 14. Time's up. 14. Deceptively simple. Give me a subscribe to support the channel. Thank you. Find number 599. Triple digits. Don't lose track. Time's up. 599 is hiding right here. Spot number 370. Time's up. Big and bold. 370 is here. Look for number. Time's up. You've got it. 211 is here. Find number 37. Time's up. Still focused. 37 is right there. Spot number 33. Double digits never go easy. Time's up. 33 is here. Can you find H6? Time's up. Alphanumeric alert. H6 is right here. Search for number 478. Time's up. That one snuck past some. 478 is here. Find number 12. Time's up. Clean and classic. 12 is here. Spot number 28. Time's up. 28. Sharp eyes catch it. Locate ZOZO. This one's not a number, but it still counts. Time's up. ZOZO is here. Search for number 247. Time's up. Quick math. 247 is hiding right here. Spot the word cat. Meow, cat is here. Now find Nemo. Did you lose him again? Time's up. Yep, Nemo is right here. Locate the combo FX. Time's up. FX is in frame. Find number 101. Time's up. Start from the basics. 101 is here. Spot number 926. Time's up. Big one. 926 is right there. Look for the letter D. Don't blink. It's tiny but deadly. Time's up. D is here. Find number 75. Time's up. 75 is hiding well, but not from you. Now locate number 6. Time's up. That was fast. 6 is here. Find the code JVJ. Letters getting wild now. Time's up. JVJ Stylish. Final challenge number 145. Time's up. That's it. 145 ends this round. 24 puzzles, 15 seconds each. Done. Comment below. Which one messed with your mind? How many did you find? Subscribe to sharpen your brain every week and like this video if you made it to the end. See you in the next challenge.